Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Now, one of the most common questions I've been asked in the last couple of months is how can I secure visa sponsorship jobs within the United Kingdom? And that's why in this video I'm going to share with you all of the job websites you should frequent if you're looking at getting a visa sponsorship role in the UK. The truth is, their visa sponsorship role, however, are you applying the right way? Are you applying through the right website in order to be able to secure these jobs? And that's why we're going to look at a different job website here in the United Kingdom where you can secure, a visa sponsorship role, regardless of the sector you are. If you're in healthcare, if you're in tech, whichever job role in education, you're looking for a job, in lecturing or universities, they definitely want to check out this video till the end. And if you're coming across this channel for the very first time, do want to hit on the subscribe button video to join the amazing growing family. And right on the subscribers, thank you guys for being here. I really do appreciate you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you're looking for visa sponsorship role here in the United Kingdom, the first website you want to have a look at is jobvisa.co.uk, and there's so many job opportunities on this website, and this is majorly for those who are looking at visa sponsorship roles. Now you can see the different category of job opportunities. So if you've got experience with the use of C sharp, you're looking for job role around chemistry, civil service, you even looking for a cleaner job, a customer service job, any job at all, you can actually leverage on this website to secure a couple of visa sponsorship roles. So for example, among this category in here, if I should click on, let's say I'm looking for a visa sponsorship job as a carer or as a care worker, for example, if I click on this, it gives me different job opportunities across board. You can see, HIV peer support worker with visa sponsorship role. You've got, different roles basically. Assistant practitioner also with sponsorship available. Healthcare navigator with sponsorship also available. Mental health nursing assistant or associate, there's also sponsorship available. So these are a couple of job roles that you can leverage on jobvisa.co.uk. Now, aside from care jobs, this website also have other job opportunities. So let's say, for example, I'm looking for a visa sponsorship job, and I've got some level of skills on how to use Python. So if I click on Python here, you can see different job opportunities available. Business intelligence system manager, sponsorship also available. Head of business intelligence and reporting development, there's also visa sponsorship available for this role. You can see the job of a data scientist, lead data scientist, data science manager, just to mention a few. So these are the different job opportunities available on JobServe or jobvisa.co.uk with sponsorship. So yeah, looking for sponsorship role, they definitely want to check out this website. There are also other job roles in universities, job as translators, even social worker job roles with sponsorship. You can see early intervention practitioner or social worker, there's sponsorship for this particular job. Mental health practitioner, different job roles basically, if you've got the right skill set, the right experience to leverage on this opportunity. Now, another website you want to check out if you're looking for visa sponsorship role is charity jobs. Now, trust me guys, there are loads of opportunities for those who are looking for visa sponsorship role within the charity space. And the fact that it's called charity job doesn't mean that you wouldn't be paid. There's so many job opportunities here. As you can see, head of finance, you get paid about 55 grand. Peer support lead, you get paid about 27 grand. Project worker, they're looking for a female here, you get paid about 28,000 pounds. Analyst and database manager, you get paid over 40,000 pounds per year. So on this charity job website, there are lots of opportunities that you can leverage on. So let's say, for example, you're looking for a job as a project manager, for example. If you go on this website and you click on find jobs, you can see that different opportunities here. You can see there's a role for a senior projects officer. The pay is about 36,000 pounds, and it's a fully remote job role, which is quite interesting. So all you need to do is to read through the job description, look at what they're looking out for on the role, and see if it's something that fits your skill set or your need basically. So if you scroll down, there are other opportunities. Senior operations manager, so you can see a project manager here. You've got another project manager role here with Business Disability Forum. There's also another project manager role here in Swansea. You've got project manager role shelter. It's also a fully remote role. So yeah, these are the websites you need to actually look out for if you're looking for visa sponsorship roles. Now, another website you want to have a look at if you're looking for visa sponsorship role is Find job.dwp.gov.uk. Now, on this particular website, as you can see, they've got over 1,722 visa sponsorship job here in the UK on this website. So if you scroll down the website, you can see different roles that have got visa sponsorship, ranging from associate dentist, vehicle mechanic, electrical lineman. You can see your different job roles that comes with visa sponsorship. So if you even the role of a project manager, that is 5,000 to 42,000 per year, you also come with visa sponsorship. So there are so many job opportunities. I mean, personally, I love this website because it helps you. So when you click on any of the job roles, for example, it takes you directly to the company website. So let's say, for example, I'm clicking on associate dentist. If I should scroll down and I click on apply jobs, what it does basically is it takes me directly to the company recruiting for this particular role. Now, another common website you want to have a look at if you're looking for a visa sponsorship role is obviously nhsjobs.com. Now, on NHS Jobs, there are loads of, though it's an healthcare, there are majorly healthcare roles. However, there are other professional jobs within the space that you can leverage on. So let's say, for example, you've got the right skill set to work as a developer. For example, if I click on developer on the search bar, it opens up different opportunities for developer roles. As you can see, we've got a Power BI developer role. If you click on this, it gives you like all of the opportunities. So you need to make sure that on this NHS website, the jobs we're applying for are actually permanent and full-time role. So make sure you meet those two requirements. So if you have a look at the job description for this particular role, make sure it's something that you have the right skill set for. You must have a master, you must have experience working with Microsoft Azure technology, you must have experience performing complex information analysis to support decision making, have experience of Azure Power BI development and developing in a cloud-based environment, have experience writing code in Python, R, advanced programming skills, including SQL, just to mention a few other requirements for this role. So if this meets, the kind of skill set you've got, then you can leverage on this opportunity. It's a band 8A role and the salary is about 59,000, which obviously surpasses the minimum requirement for the salary threshold here in the United Kingdom. So there's so many other job roles like EPR developer, digital learning developer, senior IT developer. These are Milton Keynes University Hospital. So if you check out the job opportunity, they've got this is for the 6,000 job, and obviously it's over the 30,700 jobs. If you look at the skill set, must have experience with C#, MVC, JavaScript, and just to mention a few. So just read through all of the job requirement for those roles and start pushing out your application. So it's really, really important to leverage on this opportunity. So if you scroll down to the role, you can actually download the job description, read more about it. If it matches your skill set, then it's time to start pushing out those applications. Now, another website I'm going to talk about is the jobs.ac.uk. That's another website. Now, on this website, there are mostly roles within universities here in the UK, professional jobs within universities. So let's say, for example, you're looking for a job role as, let's say, a digital marketer, for example. Okay. So if you're looking for, so I think I probably spelled that wrongly. So let's write, let's just write marketer. So then if you're looking for a job role as a marketer, you can see there are over 286 job found on this website. So there are different job roles. Marketing officer at Bury College. You can see marketing manager also at the University of Sunderland in London. This is a 44,000 job. So if you click on this, you can read more about the job roles. As I said, before you apply for any job role, make sure it's a permanent and also a full-time role. You can see this vacancy closes on the 21st of January 2025, and you need to start looking out for other so many opportunities on this website. They've got different roles across different universities here in the UK. So if you've got like PhD, you're a professor, you can apply for professor in marketing, school marketing officer, just to mention a few. So there's so many opportunities on all of this website mentioned that you can leverage on to getting visa sponsorship. So if you're looking for sponsorship and you're clueless on how to go about it, you don't know the right skill sets to get, you don't know how to go around this, and you want to jump on my one-to-one session, all you need to do is to click on the link in the description of this video, jump on the one-to-one session with me so we can know where you are now and where you're trying to get to, so we can then have a detailed conversation on what you need to do to move from that point A to Point Book. Just click on the link in the description of this video, and we can get all of your questions answered as quick as possible. So if you have any other concerns or questions that can be asked on this channel, drop those questions in the comment section. And if you find this video resourceful, click on the like button and share. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, do it to hit on the subscribe button to join the amazing growing family. And my returning subscribers, thank you guys for being here. I really do appreciate you guys. So this will be the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.